What's it? Okay, tell us about the parts. I mean, your idea is to make etching inks and litho inks, and you got three rollers there. You got water pipes coming. What's
this machine's used for grinding all kinds of pigments. It's used in paint making, ink making. There's also other ways of grinding pigments, but this is probably the best because it keeps the temperatures at the lowest, keeps the pigment in the oils or whatever the medium is at the lowest temperature. The whole point of making ink or paint or anything like this is to suspend a pigment in a medium that dries. Traditionally we use linseed oils, and in ink making we use linseed oils that have been bodied. You know, the artist material market isn't big enough that anybody's willing to cold press oil for you. Plus, I'm not sure that that you could really make a case for it being that much better, you know, for the economics involved. And then they put it in big kettles, big copper kettles or stainless steel kettles, and they body the oil, and they do it one of two ways. They either heat it from the outside, or they burn it, which is where you heat the oil to about 550 degrees and it ignites. And as it burns, it gets heavier and heavier. Like if it burns for maybe 1 hour, it's like maybe a 5-aught. Or if it burns for 24, it's like body gum, you know. Then you extinguish the fire, and that's how the oil's bodied.
That's why you start making ink?
Yep, I started making ink because I knew I wasn't going to be making enough money off my prints. And I didn't want to do what I had to do probably to make money off my prints, plus I'm not convinced I could do what I had to do to make the money anyway. And I work for an offset printer, and though it's a pretty good job and all that kind of stuff, I still don't like it. And so I wanted to work for myself.
I'm Bill Ritchie. I went to visit the Olympus Press on Bainbridge Island, together with Greg Both and Lorna Pauley, and our video equipment. We went to see Daniel Smith doing some work on his silkscreen print, which was in progress at that time.